welcome back to my channel. How's it going? I hope you are all doing well. Today we are testing out another palette and it is a Makeup Revolution one, and it's this one. It is the Tammi collab with Makeup Revolution. It's called the Tropical Paradise palette. This is the packaging. It's beautiful. This was sent to me by one of my lovely subscribers and I'm like over the moon to test it. I hadn't even seen it. I'm so bad at keeping up on new makeup. And for someone that has a makeup channel, sort of makeup channel, I really should do better. But yeah, this looks gorgeous. It's £10 from revolutionbeauty.com and it's 23 eyeshadows. It's got gorgeous, I love the packaging. Now, I'm not even going to pretend, I've never heard of Tammi before. And I've specifically not watched her videos, and I'm not going to watch them until after I've tested the palette, because I don't want to kind of like skew my perception. Like, if I really like her, I don't want to, I don't know, I just don't want to get in my own head about it. And I absolutely love, like, the Soph Does Nails palette is like my ride or die palette. I love it and it's incredible, and that's a Revolution palette. So I'm hoping that this one is just as good. It's 23 eyeshadows and it's this exotic eyeshadow palette featuring 23 beautiful mattes and shimmer shades with a vibrant variety of colours made for everyone and all skin tones, including 3 base and transition shades. So you've got all of the names here. Now I have swatched them all. I'll insert some pictures of them now. I was super impressed with a few of them. This one here, which is called Tropical. Is it called Tropical? Yeah, Tropical. Treasure, Burning Heat and Paradise are just insane. The black, which is called Midnight Stroll, like, I'll just do it like that, just looks a bit crap for a matte black. I mean, it's an alright grey, but I haven't got my own makeup line, so I can't say too much, but you kind of get the idea. Like, all the shimmers are just beautiful, but we're gonna do it. I want to show you this one as well. This one looks like it's got some go in it, and I think if you had a wet brush, but when you put it on your hand, it's not as reflective as it is on your finger. But again, wet brush on the eyes and we'll see how it goes. So I don't really know what I'm going to do. I'm definitely going to use this one. And I kind of want to use the green, which is kind of out of my comfort zone, but it's so pretty. Or I'm just going to end up doing what I normally do and do something nice and warm. But I have just got some concealer on my eyes and I'm going to set it with the colour Coconut Cream. I've just got a big fluffy brush. And I'm just going to pat that over and just set my base. Right, to start off with, I'm going to go, because these are like the 3 transition shades down here. You've got Coconut Cream, Nutmeg and Isle of Spice. So I think I'm going to start off with Nutmeg, again on a fluffy brush. There's a little bit of fallout, but nothing crazy. And I'm just going to start to see what it's like working this into the crease. Right, Isle of Spice is on and it's really, really lovely. It's such a nice transition colour. I really, really like that. I'd just wear that just with a little bit of gold across the lid if I was just going to do something really simple. I really like that. I am going to dip into a little bit of Isle of Spice, same brush, just to see what it's like. Right. I've got to do it. I've got to go into Tropical. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is so pretty. I'm just bringing this down further. Tropical is exactly as I wanted it to be. It's so nice. I'm going to get a smaller brush though. I want a small brush. Not a small brush, just a smaller brand, a little bit smaller. And obviously I've got no other makeup on, so I'm not worrying too much about fallout or anything. going to go into this gold down here, which is called Golden Sands. I really like that gold, and I am going to go into the green. I am going to go into Paradise, which is this green. I don't know what I'm doing, if you couldn't tell. I'm just going back into the gold and just gonna like zhuzh across the pair of them. Right! I'm now getting a, where's that gone? Just had it in my hand. A little stubby brush, and I'm going to go back into Tropical, which was the burnt orange. And I'm going to deepen up this edge. Now I'm going to get a little bit of this colour, which is called Adventure. Just a little bit. And again, just pop it right on this edge. Let's put the rest of my makeup on. You wait there. Okay, the rest of my makeup is done. I'm just gonna finish off my under eyes. I absolutely love how this all looks together. I'm sure it's not gonna be everybody's cup of tea, and that is fine, but I really like it. So, yeah. For under eye, I'm just going to go into Nutmeg to start with and just run it under the lash line. And I think finally, I'm just going to go into the colour Pina Colada and pop this on my inner corner. Ooh, that's pretty. Mascara's on. Final thing I want to do, this is probably where it's all going to go wrong. I'm getting my little highlighter brush, and I'm just dipping into Pina Colada, which was the colour I put on my inner corner. And I just want to see. Oh, that's pretty. I really like that. This palette is lovely. I know I didn't use all the shades, obviously. But I'm super impressed. Pina Colada and Tropical are my like standout winners of the ones that I used today. But I absolutely love Paradise. This green, I'm so happy I actually ended up putting it on. I really love. It's kind of like just giving me like camo kind of eyes, which I am happy with. But this is definitely going to be something that I will use a lot, especially for the transition colours. This one looks really pretty as well, which is kind of just like a rose gold. That's really pretty. But I would definitely use this. So yeah, be prepared to see lots of these kind of colours on my face. I think I'm going to pair this quite a lot with the Sophie Does Nails palette as well, because I do find, if I'm completely honest, I think the metallic-y ones are better in the Sophie palette. The golds in the Sophie palette are just like crazy. These are really nice, but the Sophie ones are better, I think. So yeah, I'm excited to try this sort of like the greeny colour, the shimmery green, and this blue, but obviously not today. So yeah, let me know if you've got this palette. What is your favourite colour? Tag me in any really nice looks, because I love seeing what other people do with things, because I'm generally not very good and I just like to look at what other people do. So yeah, if you like these kind of review videos with me attempting to do makeup, then give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye guys.